Hey, it's the Memorial Day weekend, and of course, a lot of what people do is grill. What do we got in our grill? It's not your normal stuff, though. No. We have the 7-day in here, of course, which is showing still some thunderstorms around tomorrow. Some much better news, though, as the week wears on. Southwest heat wave. And then finally, we have a special birthday today. It's Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit's birthday, if he were alive. Okay, we are watching some thunderstorms this evening across parts of Iowa. It's pushing up some high clouds over us. That's what we've been seeing here over the last couple of hours. And hey, Sunday actually turned out to be a little bit okay. We saw some sunshine, not as much as we might have liked, and temperatures that were into the 70s. We almost made it to 80 had we seen a little bit more sunshine. But yeah, to the south, we're watching some thunderstorms. There are some strong ones in Iowa. Not expecting severe weather, and starting to see some cells popping here even into northern Iowa. And the reason we're watching this is because some of these leftovers will try to head in our direction. This is one of the short-term computer models, shows best chance of that southeastern Minnesota, but maybe up towards the Twin Cities overnight. Don't be shocked if you hear a shower or rumble of thunder, and into the early morning hours, we could have some of those leftovers trying to drift through again, mostly in the morning hours, and a little longer range here in the model shows. There will still be widely scattered showers or thunderstorms. I don't think tomorrow will turn out like today. I think it's going to stay pretty cloudy, and we're going to have the less sunshine and a few more of those showers and thunderstorms. So a little cooler tomorrow, or similar temperatures really, actually upper 70s with some of those scattered showers, thunderstorms. Again, not a washout, no day will be. And then Tuesday we could have a few morning showers, and then maybe a little sun in the afternoon. I think still pretty cloudy, but then sun and warmth breaking out here Wednesday into the low 80s, and a little cooler heading into the weekend, but brighter. So I know it's probably the weather we wish we would have had this weekend, but it is what it is. But we are talking about some heat in the southwest. Temperatures are going to be well into the hundreds here, developing by midweek in pockets of California and into Arizona. And this is a little early for that kind of heat, and especially in the Central Valley parts of California as well. And that heat could be headed our way as we head into next week. I know we've seen the models try to bring in the 90s, but it does try to push in some of that southwest heat that you can see, that red and white blob there in the southwest. This is our cooler air swinging through us in the weekend, but then heat breaking through in time for June. It looks like next week we're talking about well above normal temperatures. Yeah, possibly 90s. Here's a few of the longer range models. 2 of the 3 do have us in the 90s as we head into early next week. So we will see if that pans out. And speaking of heat, it is Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit's birthday, if you're alive. And, Celsius gets a lot of attention, but Fahrenheit is actually the one who first established using specific temperature scales based on measurements. He went from 0, 32, and he thought that the human body temperature was a little off by a few degrees, but regardless, it was the first time we had accurate temperature readings. He invented the mercury thermometer, and so, happy birthday to him. And it was a tough time back then. He only lived to be 50 years old. But again, we are looking at better weather as we head through the week, and in the U.S., of course, we still use the Fahrenheit temperature scale.